Hi, my charming chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to tackle a side dish consisting of honey maple glazed Brussels sprouts with bacon bits. What I used to prepare this dish was a bunch of Brussels sprouts, a few strips of bacon, a little bit of honey and maple syrup, plus olive oil, garlic, and good old salt and pepper. Feel free to switch it up, add or tweak additional spices, and explore other flavors. This is your meal. Make it however you feel. With that said, let's get cooking. Begin by mincing a garlic clove. You can use the flat side of the knife to smash down on the clove, which will free the clove from the paper for easy removal. Then just give the smashed clove a few slices, turn, and slice through again, essentially mincing it. Next, we prep the Brussels. I don't show this, but to clean them, you could slice a little sliver off the bottom of the root end, and that'll enable you to easily remove the outer dirty leaves. But be sure not to cut off the entire root end, as that keeps the leaves intact and everything together. It's almost like a holder of sorts. Without that keeping a hold of the Brussels, it will easily fall apart. Then, cut those babies in half, cutting through the root end lengthwise. Again, the root remains intact during cooking. Add the cut Brussels to a bowl, drizzle in some olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and give that a good shake. Next, prepare the bacon. Lay out your bacon strips on a cutting board. I like to stack the strips on top of each other and then roll them up before cutting them all together, just like you would a chiffonade. Once cut to your liking, add the bacon to a pan and fry them until the fat renders out and they get crispy. Then add the minced garlic. After a minute, the garlic will have released its oils, so add the Brussels sprouts to the pan and give that a good mixing. You really want to get the Brussels coated with the bacon grease and the bacon fat and all the flavors that you've added to the pan thus far. Lastly, drizzle on the honey and maple syrup and give that all a good stir to coat everything evenly with the honey and the syrup and the flavors and the yada yada yada. And notice we aren't browning or caramelizing the sprouts. They're just being heated up and cooked till tender. After everything's been cooked through, plate and enjoy. Please let me know what you think. If you made this dish, did you tweak the recipe at all? Do you have any suggestions? Is there anything you would do differently? I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support. I hope you have a wonderful day.
If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!